Myself Arjun, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rogini College of Engineering Technology. The course name is Foundation Engineering. Today we see about capacity from insitu test. Following the insitu test, standard penetration test, cone penetration test, that is CPT, then pilot test. Standard penetration test SPT, load varying, load carrying capacity in the pile can be estimated from the SPT value, that is N. For driven pile, QP point resistance in kilonewton per meter square, D length of the pile, B width of the pile. The value of QP is usually limited to 400 kilonewton. The average unit frictional resistance Fs is related to the average value of the blow count. For high displacement piles, for low displacement pile, average corrected value. For bored pile in sand, division of actual penetration into granular soil for bore piles sand. The Dutch cone test Markov 1960 let the unit point resistance QP and the unit skin resistance Fs of the driven pile to cone point resistance QC. Pile load test. The pile load test is the most reliable method of determining the load carrying capacity of the pile. The test can be performed either on a working pile that forms a foundation of the structure or on a test pile. Following are the loads which are to be taken into account while designing a pile. Direct vertical load coming from the superstructure, impact stresses developed during the process of pile driving, stresses developed during handling operations, bending stress developed due to the curvature of the pile, lateral forces due to the wind, waves, currents of water, impact forces due to ice, sheet or bergs, force due to upward pressure, then earthquake forces. These are the loads which are taken into the account while designing a pile. This is the pile load setup diagram. Following the procedure of pile load test. The sets for the load test on a pile consist of two anchor piles provided with an anchor grinder or a reaction grinder at their top, as shown in figure. The test pile is generally installed between two anchor piles in such a manner in which foundation piles are to be installed. The test pile should be at least 3 MB or 2.5 meter clear from the anchor piles. Test is conducted after a period of 3 days after installation of the test pile in sandy soil, and after a period of 1 month after the installation of the test pile in silt and soft clays. This is because by driving the test pile, the soil properties are altered, and with the passage of time, much of the original properties are restored. Each load increment is kept for sufficient time till the rate of settlement of the becomes less than the 0.022 mm per hour. Each load increment is maintained till the rate of movement of the pile is not more than 0.1 mm per hour in sandy soil and 0.02 mm per hour in layers soils, or a maximum 2 hours, as per IS 2911/1979. For each load increment, settlement are observed as at 0.5, 1, 2, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 60 minutes. The test pile loaded and the ultimate load is reached. Test load is increased to a value 2.5 times the estimated allowable loader to load whichever failure occur earlier. The load is removed in the same decrement at 1 hour interval, and the final rebound is recorded after 24 hours after the entire load has been removed. Thank you.